the U.S. Army Surgeon General, thank you, first of all, for your presence here. We are very honored to have you here gracing our fair city, and then to provide that kind of hope for a young person coming through the system. That is just tremendous. So let's give her another round of applause. Well, I'm Congressmember Judy Chu. I'm thrilled to be joining the City of Arcadia for your very, very first Arcadia Health Fair. And I want to thank the Arcadia Health Committee for putting this together. And first of all, we have to thank our incredible mayor, who is extraordinary, because not only is he a veteran of the U.S. Air Force, but he's a medical doctor. And so he is making sure that Arcadians will be healthy. Thank you, Mayor Cow. And then, of course, we have the chair of the health committee. She is somebody with so much energy, so much enthusiasm. She wanted to make sure that this Arcadia Health Fair will come to fruition, and indeed she did. Councilmember Eileen Wong. Now let me tell you why I am so enthusiastic about this particular health fair. I think the most precious thing that you can have is your health. Don't you think? And so whatever we can do to make sure you are healthy is so important. Now, I know that Arcadia had been hosting these monthly seminars, but now they're taking it one step higher with this actual fair. And this is going to be something so precious to everybody in Arcadia. There's such a comprehensive array of services here. In fact, one major demonstration will provide training on how to administer Narcan to people experiencing a drug overdose. Just think, you could save a person's life just through this simple step. So be sure you stop by and see that. And there is going to be so much provided in terms of screenings. These screenings will be for breast cancer, head and neck cancer, dentistry, internal medicine, and so much more. So I encourage you to go around each and every booth and learn what you can and get that screening. Now, I also want to highlight something that's very important to me. I am the only psychologist in Congress. And as a result, I have really pushed for the importance of not only physical health, but mental health, right? Yes, it is so important for us to ensure that everybody gets the mental health care that they need. And that is why I have taken a number of mental health care initiatives, including reintroducing my bill, the Stop Mental Health Stigma in Our Communities Act, in May of this year. This would create a new grant program in our federal government to improve outreach and access to mental health resources for the AA-NHPI community. For many in our Asian community, there is a stigma about talking about mental health, let alone getting the resources that you need for that. And I have another bill for mental health resources in our schools, because there are not enough mental health professionals in our K-12 schools, and yet you know that there are so many young people that could use that help. And yes, thank you. And that is why I joined the House Ways and Means Committee's Health Subcommittee. That is to make sure that we can safeguard and enhance the Affordable Care Act while ensuring that we protect the Medicare program and keep it as strong as possible. But the work starts at home, where healthcare providers, city leaders, and volunteers empower community members with the knowledge and resources for a healthy life. So again, I want to congratulate the city of Arcadia for holding this very, very important healthcare fair. And I would like to present certificates of congressional recognition to those that made this happen. So if you can come up, these are the sponsors and the providers. First, our leaders, of course, Mayor Dr. Michael Cow, Councilmember Eileen Wong, USC Arcadia Hospital,